Every year at Purdue University, people are faced with accidents just like this, and there needs to be a solution.
The Purdue Safety Committee requires a solution to decrease the amount of accidents that occur due to pedestrians. This is important for the students at Purdue as it will make the entire campus safer to navigate. Purdue University will be treated as our client. Stakeholders will be our fellow Purdue students and other associates on campus.
The criteria are safety, cost, and environmental impact of the design solution, and the constraints are sustainability, implementation, and it should not affect student tuition.
Our solution is composed of a bike rental system in which students can rent a bicycle from a private entity that works with the university, much like Bedloft, so that a bike can be rented for a semester or a full year. Currently, about 12,000 students own a bike on campus, which is determined by a poll we conducted. This number would only increase with the availability of a bike rental system. This solution will decrease the amount of accidents, as it has been proven by the U.S. Department of Transportation that bikes can be more easily integrated into normal traffic, whether it be pedestrian or cars.
We assume that the bikes will cost $75, the business will grow over time, and there will be people available to work. One trade-off that we made was picking a location that was closer to campus but also more expensive.
Although this solution will be expensive at first, it may end up generating revenue for the university as there will be different payment options. For instance, a bike can be rented for $75 for a semester or $125 for the year. This solution is environmentally friendly as it will reduce the number of people that use their car to navigate campus, and it will also create student jobs. One of the big problems with owning a bike on campus is theft, and one way that we can remedy this is by making the bikes recognizable and have a tracker on them that will deter theft from occurring. Our plan to improve safety will involve various methods of engineering to autonomously analyze the traffic situations on campus. Our success will be measured by the % decrease in accidents on campus.
We ultimately decided on this idea through the decision matrix. Although it barely beat out the other ideas, we felt that the idea would have the largest improvement on campus safety but also improve other aspects of campus, for example, student employment and revenue.
This is the building we found for our bike rental building. It's off of Stadium and Northwestern. It's very close to campus and perfect for Purdue students.
Looking at the statistics of the building, it comes out to be 1,824 square feet. We'll be making a 5 to 10 year lease at a rate of $27 per square foot per year. This comes out to be $49,248 per year in rent.
Our location is perfect because of the high amounts of traffic constantly passing through the nearby intersections. The West Stadium and Allen intersection has a traffic volume of 4,500. Northwestern and Garfield, 19,600, West Stadium and Northwestern with 8,200, and finally Stadium and North Grant with a traffic volume of 3,400. All of these intersections are within less than 0.15 miles of our location, making this location easily accessible to students.
The initial investment will be about $50,000 for the space per year, $19,000 for 250 bikes at $75 each, $26,000 for 5 employees at $8 wage, and the estimated cost of maintenance will be about $15,000. This comes out to an estimate of $113,598 for the first year. It will not be until the 4th year that the business starts to make a profit, but since this is a long-term investment and since most businesses do not turn a profit until its 4th year, according to Startup.co, this is a reasonable cost for the business.
The strengths of our solution are that it will begin making revenue after the 4th year, it's eco-friendly, and it will create student jobs. The weaknesses of this idea are that it is expensive, theft of bikes, and maintenance.
For our design process, we took problems that we have all had in our own lives relating to bikes on campus, problems with distance, maintenance, and theft. Since bikes are a more efficient way to navigate campus, we decided to create a system that allows more people to be able to access bikes on campus.